Understanding I need to lie down, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, I need to lie down. This phrase is simple yet packed with meanings and uses. By understanding it, you'll be able to express yourself more naturally in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, I need to lie down, they're expressing a desire to position their body in a horizontal position, usually on a bed or any flat surface. This phrase is often used when someone is feeling physically or emotionally overwhelmed and needs to rest or recover. It's a straightforward statement about taking a moment to relax or address discomfort. There are several reasons why someone might say, I need to lie down. Let's look at a few. Physical tiredness or exhaustion. After a long day of work or exercise, lying down can help the body recover. Feeling unwell. When someone is sick, lying down can make them feel more comfortable. Emotional distress. During times of stress or sadness, lying down might help one cope with their feelings. Needing a break. Sometimes, it's just a way to take a short break during a busy day. Understanding the context is crucial as it helps you comprehend the speaker's feelings or needs better. Now that we know what the phrase means and why people use it, let's see how to incorporate it into your conversations. Here are a few examples. After running the marathon, I really need to lie down. I'm not feeling very well. I think I need to lie down for a bit. This news is overwhelming. I need to lie down and process everything. Notice how the phrase can be adjusted slightly to fit different situations and levels of formality. In different English-speaking cultures, I need to lie down can have slight variations or be understood differently. For example, in some contexts, it might be a polite way of excusing oneself from a social situation. It's also worth noting that in British English, lie down can also mean to take a nap. Understanding these nuances can enrich your comprehension and expression in English. Thank you for joining us today to explore the phrase, I need to lie down. We hope this video has been informative and has given you insights into how versatile and meaningful English expressions can be. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.